Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to be forging an axe out of a piece of forklift tine. So before I started forging on this, I prepped the billet by drilling a hole through it. You typically punch these holes, however my press is not set up very well to do this, and drilling it gives you a really nice clean hole. I made the mistake of not cutting this billet very evenly. I didn't have it very square on the chop saw. So I centered the eye on the top of the billet, but on the bottom it didn't come out very well. So I'm probably going to have to square everything up in grinding, and I don't think this will end up being a forged finish axe. I also went and forged this drift out of the same piece of material as I was drilling the hole in the axe. guys, thanks for watching. Please be sure to subscribe if you want to see part 2, and let me know in the comments what you think of this video. I'm trying to improve the quality of my videos a bit.